chapter is all about mean, median, and mode, and stuff like that. First of all, we have all these numbers. This is our test scores. And the outlier is the one that is unlike the other ones. And in this case, it's 1, which means somebody got 10% on the test. That's not good. The mean is 6.8. That's the average of all of these numbers. The median is in the middle, which is a 7. One of these. The range is the base number minus the smallest number. That would be 10 minus 1. And that gets us 9. The spread is the biggest number through the smallest number, which is 1 through 10. The standard deviation is all of this stuff. What we do is we get x, which is all these numbers. So we get x bar, which is the mean, and then we put it next to all of these, which is 6.8. I just put an arrow because I didn't feel like writing them all. And then we get x minus x bar, and that gets us all of these. The arrows means it's just all of the numbers. I just don't feel like writing it all out. Then we take x minus x bar over squared, and we get all of these. Then we add all of these up, and we get this, which is 95.48, and we divide it by how many numbers there are. In this case, there are 37, which gets us 2.6. We get the square root of that, and we get 1.6, which gets us our standard deviation. Next is the 5-number summary. That consists of the smallest number, the largest number, the median, and the numbers in the middle of each half. And the interquartile range is the range in each half. Now we're going to go over the histogram, dot plot, and box plot. First, the histogram. We have the numbers available to us from the previous set at the bottom here, and this is the values from all that standard deviation stuff. What we have here is from 0 to 2, which was, we have 1, which is the lowest amount. Then to 4, which we had a little more. And then these 3 here, from 4 to 10, we had the most. Now this graph is skewed to the right because it follows this path, and it's angled more towards the right. Moving on. This is the dot plot. We have essentially the same thing, all of the numbers at the bottom, but it's all of the numbers here. This is the numbers, and this is how many times they appear. And put a dot going upwards, however many times they appear, and as you can see, it looks similar to the histogram. It's skewed to the right. Down here is the box plot. It's the average of the amount of numbers there are, and this larger one here is this section here, where there's significantly more than the normal amount, therefore creating a bigger bulge. From 0 to 1 there isn't any, so there is